Hello, everybody. Oh, charming, charming. Quốc Lâm, very handsome. Quốc Lâm today, very handsome. Okay. Where's the Bảo Ngọc? Bảo Ngọc. My favorite global speaker. Bảo Ngọc, please. Be nice. Việt Cường. I cannot see Bảo Ngọc, Việt Cường. Okay. Now we are going to pray to the Buddha, pay homage to the Buddha. And who can lead the team? Kiều Nam, can you lead the team to pray to the Buddha, the triple germ?
I got sick, so can I
Okay.
turn off my mic?
Okay. What about Cát Tường? Can you do homage to the Buddha?
Sorry, teacher, I didn't.
Bảo Ngọc, my favorite. Long time no see you. Can you lead the whole team for the praying to the Buddha and 5 precept? Okay. Bảo Ngọc, can you do it? Nam Mô Tassa, everybody following Bảo Ngọc. I cannot hear you. You have to turn on the microphone, please. Bảo Ngọc. No sound. Can anybody hear anything from her?
I couldn't hear.
Nobody hear anything from Bảo Ngọc. Okay, Quốc Lâm, can you do the paying homage to the Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha? Very handsome man. Okay. Okay, Yahan, please.
Sorry, I don't remember.
Oh, nobody remember the Buddha. Nobody remember the Buddha. Okay, you try Bảo Ngọc. Okay, turn on the mobile phone microphone, please.
Bảo Ngọc, microphone is broken.
No. She changed another one here.
Hello.
Oh, yes. We hear you. Lovely
Okay.
voice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa.
Everybody following.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa.
Everybody follow her, please. Quốc Lâm, Cát Tường, Dạ Hân, Kiều Nam. Okay. Following her. Nam Mô Tassa.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa.
Okay, good. Continue, please, Bảo Ngọc.
Homage to the Buddha, the Blessed One, the Worthy One, the Fully Awakened One, Homage to the Buddha, the Blessed One, the Worthy One, the Fully Awakened One. Homage to the Buddha, the Blessed One, the Worthy One, the Fully Awakened One.
Everybody, please. Homage to the Buddha.
Homage to Buddha, the Blessed One, the Worthy One, the Fully Awakened One. Homage to Buddha, the Blessed One, the Worthy One, the Fully Awakened One. Homage to the Buddha, the Blessed One, the Worthy One, the Fully Awakened One.
The 5 precepts, right?
No, no. Buddhang saranang gacchami.
Buddhang saranang gacchami, Dhammang saranang gacchami, Sanghang saranang gacchami.
Buddhang saranang gacchami, Dhammang saranang gacchami, Sanghang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi Buddhang saranang gacchami, Dutiyampi Dhammang saranang gacchami, Dutiyampi Sanghang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi Buddhang saranang gacchami, Dutiyampi Dhammang saranang gacchami, Dutiyampi Sanghang saranang gacchami.
Tatiyampi Buddhang saranang gacchami, Tatiyampi Dhammang saranang gacchami, Tatiyampi Sanghang saranang gacchami.
Tatiyampi Buddhang saranang gacchami, Tatiyampi Dhammang saranang gacchami, Tatiyampi Dhammang saranang gacchami.
For the third time to the Buddha, I go for refuge. For the third time to the Dhamma, I go for refuge. For the third time to the Sangha, I go for refuge.
For the third time to the Buddha, I go for refuge. For the third time to the Dhamma, I go for refuge. For the third time to the Sangha, I go for refuge.
The 5 precepts. Panati Bata Veramani Sikapadang Samadhiyami.
Panati Bata Veramani Sikapadang Samadhiyami.
I will not kill any living creatures, but to protect them.
I will not kill any creatures, but to protect them.
Adinadana Veramani Sikapadang Samadhiyami.
Adinadana Veramani Sikapadang Samadhiyami.
I will not take what is not given, but to share what I have to needy people.
I will take what's not given, but to share to needy people.
Amesu Mijachara Veramani Sikapadang Samadhiyami. I will be honest in my relationship.
I will be honest in my relationship.
Nisavada Veramani Sikapadang Samadhiyami.
Musavada Veramani Sikapadang Samadhiyami.
I will not tell a lie, but to tell the truth.
I will not tell a lie, but to tell the truth.
Rameraya Macha Bamadatana Veramani Sikapadang Samadhiyami.
Rameraya Madatana Veramani Sikapadang Samadhiyami.
I will not take drugs or alcoholic drinks, but to use healthy drinks.
Everybody.
I will not take drugs or alcoholic drinks, but to use healthy drinks.
I will not take drugs or alcoholic drinks, but to use healthy drinks.
Okay, very good, very good. You people very slow. It seems that you are taking in toxicant product. Did you drink alcoholic product? Did you drink beer? Why you don't repeat it? Okay, you have to repeat it, you know. Paying homage to the Buddha and taking 5 precepts. It's every day we have to do it. Okay, let's go back to the English lesson. What do you say to each other at the beginning?
May you be
May you be
happy.
happy. May we be happy.
Okay, may you be happy. May we be happy. We are one. Okay, everybody happy, smiling, happy. Okay. Have you looked at my question? I sent
Yes.
you already.
Yes.
Okay, what is the first question I asked you to do? Did you finish it?
Do you mean the writing with 1,000 words?
I give you many questions, but the first question, okay. Have you finished the first question? Or you haven't looked at it? Okay, I got you. You see, not many people look at my question. And how can you go overseas for study? You stay there forever. Okay, you have to do homework. You have to do homework diligently. Okay. Okay, I give you the leniency. How about I give you 10 minutes to review the question and give me the answer? Okay, you look at the question I sent you last time, okay, for you to prepare. And now I give you 10 minutes to give me the answer, okay? 10 minutes is enough? More than enough, because you look at it for many days already. If you didn't look at the question for many days, so you expect you will stay in Vietnam forever, okay? You don't want to go overseas. You don't want to be a good people, okay? Your choice, okay? 10 minutes is enough or not? Or 5 minutes? Okay, 10
10
minutes.
minutes, please.
Okay, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. Now 7:50. So 10 minutes, 8 o'clock. Okay, 8 o'clock, you give me the answer. Okay. Somebody looking after Yahan, very, very good. Okay. Okay, very good. Don't worry. Loving kindness. Probably the mother. The mother looking after the daughter. She will be going overseas to USA to study alone. Nobody. Okay, you will stay there alone. Only yourself. You have to be confident in yourself. Okay, now time clock. You have to do study. Okay. 10 minutes. Give me the answer. Ten minutes. Okay.
Where do you send that one?
Okay, you can show it on the screen or you can send it to Yellow. No problem. You can show it on screen or you wait until I call your name and you show it, you answer it.
No, teacher,
Where?
Yahan asked that where you put the question, where can she have the question to do her homework?
The question is in the PowerPoint I sent to you. You look at the...
Yeah, but Yahan do not have in group discuss.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or chat. So can you put in chat? Can you put in the chat box? help me.
Everybody got the question already. The PowerPoint. Till Nam, have you got it?
Yes.
Okay. If Bảo Ngọc doesn't have it, and then you can share to Bảo Ngọc. Or you can share on the screen so everybody can see it. Have you seen the quiz, the mathematic quiz? Can you do it?
Some of it.
Some of it. That's good. I'm preparing you to go to overseas. So I ask you many things. Okay. If you can answer, and then you will be studying overseas. The quiz. The quiz. First, we do the quiz. Oh, Min An, you are too late. My favorite. You are too late. Too late to go to overseas study.
No, I have some problem with myself, so
Okay.
sorry.
Okay, problem. Everybody got the problem. I got the problem too. Don't worry. Okay, go ahead. We are solving the first question, the quiz. The last time I sent to you all the mathematic equation. You don't have to do the whole thing. You can do 1, 2, 3. But I'm marking. If you do more, the more you do, the better mark you have. Mm. 5 minutes left. If you don't have the last time questions, you look at the chat. There's the version. Somebody put it there already. Share together. Mathematics quiz. This is very important in any overseas study for high school student. And they usually do it very quick. You calculate how long can you solve that issue. Okay, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and you will see how good you are.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I have finished two of these things and the slide four. So what next?
You finished? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's time to finish, everybody. No more time. No more time. Okay. Okay. Actually, you should finish early, but now is I give you a chance 10 minutes, but somebody finish. Okay, Min An, can you tell everybody about your answer? You can share on screen or you can speak or whatever you want, whichever way convenient for you.
Do I need to explain my answer?
No need to explain. You just say the outcome, the results.
Oh, okay. For the number 1, I choose A. 2, I choose C. Number 3, I choose C. Number 4, I choose A. And for this side, number 1, I choose, I write 7. Number 2 is 9. Number 3 is 12. Number 4 is 8. Number 5 is 24. 6 is 10. 7 is 22. 8 is 20. 9 is 11. 10 is 23. 11 is 19. 12 is 3. 12 is 4. 14 is 6. 15 is 2. 16 is 3. 17 is 17. 18 is 1. 19 is 18. 20 is 15. 21 is 13. 2022, I don't know how to say this word, so I think that I would write like
Okay. Let me ask somebody to make comment. Bảo Ngọc, please. Bảo Ngọc, please. You make comment on the left side of the equation. The left side,
I
please.
do not finish.
Oh, you haven't finished.
Yeah.
On. So how can you go to overseas if you haven't finished? Okay. Try to be quick. Okay. Kiều Nam, please.
Yes. Let me. In the quiz, number 1, I will choose A. Number 2, also A. Number 3 is C, and number 4 is A. The other one is. Let me move the Microsoft. Wait for me a bit. Okay. Number 1 is 7. Number 2 is 9. Number 3 is 12. Number 4 is 8. Number 6 is 10. Number 7 22. Number 8 is 20. Number 9 is 11. Just same as Minh An. And number 22 is 5. Number 23 is 16. Number 24 is 14. This is my answer though.
Okay. Cát Tường, please. Any comments on the Minh An and Triều Nam outcome? The result provided by Minh An.
I haven't finished.
Ah, come on. Come on. Jahan, what is your comments?
I even not yet finished one.
Oh, everybody, nobody finished. So only Minh An and Triều Nam is very good. I think Minh An and Triều Nam should be mathematician. Okay, mathematician, very good. Very good. You figure out. The point here is I'm not really concerned about right or wrong. Okay, because the right and wrong is just relative. Even the science, in science, they always get it wrong and they rectify it. They give the new hypothesis and they get it wrong again. So the science, they got it wrong many times, not just one. Mathematics is all the same. In the statistic, we have the type 1 and type 2 error. It doesn't matter. What I ask you to do is to train your left side of your brain, okay? Because you keep TikTok, YouTube, and music, all sorts of things develop on the right side of your brain. It's imbalanced. So now I'm asking you to do some mathematical equations so that you can improve your left side of your brain, okay? That's the whole purpose of the exercise, to keep the balance between the two sides of the brain. Okay. And you can check the answer later on yourself. And if you don't have the answer, I give you the answer. Now, go to the second question. Can Triều Nam share the second question, please? And that is the way you are learning. You're learning the way to study. The way you study in overseas, it's all the same. The students share everything. The student give the opinion. The teacher just give the marks. The teacher will not tell you are right or wrong. The teacher only gives you the marks for your participation. Okay, now we look at the quiz here. Okay. Minh, have you saw this one? So this
Yes, yes.
very good. Okay, tell everybody.
My answer is 0.785. Is it right? I just use the P number to divide the 4.
Yes. Cát Tường, can you make a comments? I want to listen to you.
Actually, I am so bad in the mathematics, and I don't know the way to finish.
Okay, you better go to Songfa. I teach you in a month. You'll be good in mathematics. You know, you need that to go to your overseas study, because in every lesson, mathematics, chemistry, is everything you have to learn. Okay, Triều Nam, please.
I don't really know what I am going to solve in this quiz though. Like they say that find the ratio of their error and just they have already done it, so I don't really know what to solve in this.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. Bóng Ngọc, please.
I don't know how to answer this question.
Oh, nobody know how to answer this question. Okay. Okay, I give you a chance. So after this lesson, by 6 o'clock today, you submit the answer. I give you the mark. And anyone who answer it with the marks, with my comments, I will send it to the high school headmaster, so that she will review it. And if she like you, she will call your name. Okay. Good luck. Okay. Now, okay, we go to another question.
You know, the slide 5 is just like the first one in the slide 3. How we change it?
Okay, you can change it.
I'll show it in the here. Okay.
Okay. Can anybody see the history? Trivia question? Oh, it's too small. Answer all these questions. Have you got the answer for all of them?
All the answers are answered next to it.
Yeah.
But have you finished all the 25 questions? Okay, how about I give you 5 minutes to review your answer? 5 minutes, is it okay? Everybody, 5 minutes is okay for you to review your answer? Because this question has been sent to you long time. Shaking your head. I love it. Okay. How about 10 minutes? Okay, 10 minutes. I give you 10 minutes to answer this question. Okay. Go ahead. Now at 15.
Can I stop sharing now?
Yes, you can stop sharing or you can share to everybody. Everybody got this question already. So you don't need to share it. Okay, thank you, Triều Nam. Okay, this question need to be answered in 10 minutes. Okay. Cát Tường, try harder. You are good too. Bảo Ngọc, you are good too. Bảo Ngọc, Cát Tường, Triều Nam, Gia Hân. Oh, everybody is good. Just follow the Minh An example. She's better, but you can catch her up. You can cross over her, take over her position. Be good. Okay, 10 minutes. If you cannot answer all of them, you can select the first 10 or the middle 10 or the final 10 question. Okay. Try to think. Try to think what it is. Okay, 10 minutes over. 10 minutes over. Don't be nervous. Okay, 10 minutes over. Can anybody answer me? Answer the question. Who? Cát Tường, please. I love it. I love the answer. No, no, teacher. No, no, teacher. I'm not ready. Till Nam, please.
I think that all the answer have already answered in the Historia trivia questions though. Like, how long did the 100 years war last? So they already answered like 116 years. Like all of them was be answered though.
Yes, that's very good. Very, very quick, aware. That the very good attitudes, you know, in learning. You have to be quick and smart to identify what's going on. Okay, Khánh Ngọc, can you answer any question or you comment anything on the Triều Nam? I haven't seen you for a long time, Khánh Ngọc. No, I cannot hear you. I hear you nothing. Turn on the microphone, please. No, no sounds. You are not hearable. Okay, everybody got the mic problem when I asked you. Nearly everybody say, I got mic problem, master. I got a mic problem, master. Okay, it's look a little bit interesting, very interesting, extremely interesting. Bảo Ngọc, please. Global speaker, I love it. Where's the Bảo Ngọc? Bảo Ngọc disappear. Minh An, please.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, you are here. I know you are here. You are there. Please answer some question or all question, please.
Our question. I only wait. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I only
Okay,
13.
good.
The first one is 116. Number 2 is Giza Pyramid. Number 3 is Frederick August Barthold. Number 4 is 1840. 5 is Don Quixote. 6 is Loma de Pisa. 7 is Kim Jong II. 8 is Charles de la Condamine. Number 9 is 23. Number 12 is Anaheim, California. Number 13 is John Ness Salk. Number 14 in 1986. And number 15 is in the late 1920s.
Sounds very good. Any comments on her answer, Bảo Ngọc? Bảo Ngọc, where are you? Are you in a study or are you just disappear? Yahan, do you have any comments?
I just on answer 3.
Okay. Answer 3.
The 3 first one, 1, 2, 3. The first one is 116. The second one is the Great Pyramid, and the third one is Frederick Auguste Bartholdi.
Okay. Okay. Now we go to the next question. Can you show it on the screen, share it on screen? I will give you all the answer later on. Okay, when you submit the answer, and I will tell you how you feel, what you think. The important point here is learning. This I try to implement the overseas study method. That means the student have to work out the answer the answer, and the teacher just give the marks. Not like Vietnam. In Vietnam, the teacher talk, and you just record it on the books. No, it's not good in overseas. The overseas, they opposite. They operate on the reverse way. Okay. Can Tiểu Nam share the next one, please?
Yes. Wait for me here.
Next one. Yes, that's it. Chemistry revision test. Chemistry revision test. Okay. Yeah, Hân, you look so nervous. You enjoy it. Okay, you will enjoy it. Don't worry. Okay, can anybody answer it? Maybe one answer one question, one person answer one question, the next one answer another question. You have a choice to select if you want to answer first. You can pick up the question you like and answer it first, and leaving the rest for the other people.
I finished I searching on the internet and I finished it all.
Oh, very good. Okay,
But
give me the answer.
Yeah, wait for me.
Okay. Very good.
Number one is A, oxygen. Number two is C, copper oxide. Number three is A, chemical bond. Number four is B, burning. Number five is B, exothermic. Number six is A, oxygen. Number seven is C, compound that has been obtained from crude oil. Number eight is B, the carbon and water.
Okay. Because you search on the internet. Okay, you search on the internet. So your brain would not capture the whole thing, cannot remember the whole thing. Later on, you will forget it because you keep searching on the internet. Now, can I ask you, question number one, why the oxygen? Okay, why the oxygen? Why the question number one is oxygen?
The reaction with in methane burns, reaction with oxygen, so it will be A.
So what is the formula, chemical formula for that reaction?
In methane with oxygen will the arrow to carbon dioxide and water.
Okay. Any comments on his answer? Bảo Ngọc, Bảo Ngọc disappear. Jahan, your comments on his answer?
I haven't finished.
Okay. Min An, do you have any comments on his answer?
Yes, I have one.
Okay, good.
The number two, my answer is B, copper carbonate, not copper oxide, because it is COO plus CO2 and the product is CO3 and it is copper carbonate.
Okay. What would be your response till now? You respond to Min An answer.
Although I didn't study about this, so it's
Okay.
No, because like carbon dioxide is a reactant, so it can and it should not the product.
Yeah, that's correct. But I'm trying to implement the classroom in overseas so that you people will react and you people will make comment and you will and all the students will rectify it so that they can remember what's going on. It's no point to search on the internet and you get the answer and then you forgot it. And when you go into the exam room, you know nothing because there's nothing on the internet inside your brain, you see. So searching internet is okay, but you have to know the reason why you select it, why any formula, any equation. Okay. Okay, so it seemed to me that nobody can answer. What about the Cát Tường, please? Any comments on the Minh An and Triều Nam answers? Cát Tường, please.
I don't know, teacher.
Oh, you don't know. Come on. If you don't know, you should go to the Tuệ Tâm Song Pha. I teach you for a month all the chemistry, physics. You need that to go overseas. Otherwise, how can you go overseas? You need all the a very simple test. Okay, look at the right side. You got the diagram. Throw a ball upwards to the point 0 and answer in unit. What is the maximum height? Okay. Can anybody answer? The right side of the diagram, with the ball throwing up and it falling down. Have you got the answer? Triều Nam. Cát Tường, have you got the answer for this one? Minh An, have you got the answer?
No, not yet.
Okay, so we leave it aside. Try to finish it by 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. today, and I will submit it. Submit your answer to the headmaster of the high school. Okay. Whatever you answer is no problem. It's just the attitudes of learning. Okay. Okay. What is the next one? Triều Nam, please show us the next one. Okay. This is very interesting. Okay. Have you finished your essay? Why do you know that the Buddha did not shave his head? Why?
my idea is not enough for
No. You can think anything. It's nothing in the literature. People keep debating about that for many years already.
but my idea is not enough. So I just write for 500 words.
Okay, whatever. But the more you write, the better. Minimum 1,000. Okay, minimum is 1,000 words.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Few things you have to take into consideration when you write the essay. First, take the challenge into your own hand. Don't look at the literature. You can comment the previous literature. You can comment any article, any books writing about the Buddha, and they try to explain why Buddha did not shave his head. They have a right to say from their own perception. But you have a right too. You have the right to criticize it or to turn it down or to give the new perspective. Not a problem. Okay, we take it seriously. So one, take the challenge into your own hands. Two, do not believe in conventional wisdom. For many years, people say, well, A, B, C, D. You don't You don't consider it. You develop a new one. 3, make up something new for you. You can think, you can imagine, you can explore the new thing. 4, enjoy laughing all the long day, no matter what it is. No matter the Buddha serve his head, you keep laughing, you keep enjoying it. So that's mean your attitude in learning, okay? And you can create a new word, new version, new terminology, whatever you want to say, okay? You can say anything, and there's no right or wrong answer, okay? Because it's just imaginary point of view. Do you know that Buddha did not shave his head? Why? That's an open answer, okay? Open answer for you to take. You can answer any kind, anything. It's still correct, okay? Write an essay, 2,000 words for reward. If you meet 2,000, you get the reward. If you don't, 1,000 is okay. But bearing in mind, all your writing will be submitted to the headmaster of the high school here. I promised her already. So I will send all the answer, your answer to her. So have you finished the essay? No. How about I give you 20 minutes, okay, to write the essay? Because you don't need the literature, you don't need the reference. It's just from your head. And it's just a logical response. Okay, logical response. We try to identify whether you think the matter seriously and logically or not. Okay, we don't care whether it's right or wrong, because your opinion is always right. But I want to know, you take the logical standpoint, or you just follow the literature, the Google or the internet. No point to talk about the internet, okay? Internet, they have a million things differently. Different interpretation about the Buddha shaving the head or not shaving the head. It's a million articles and books already. It's the more you read, the more confused you are. So better look at something for yourself. You can create something new. Okay. Every monk is shaving his head except the Buddha. Why? Is it true or isn't true? And how many monks during the Buddha lifetime did not shave their heads? Not all of them. Okay. Not all of them shaving their head. So why do we shave our head? And the Buddha shaved his head or did not shave his head? Does it matter to the enlightenment? Or the head figure should give the example, should set up the example for the follower to do the same, or they can have a choice to do whatever they want to do. So what is the discipline? What is the logical analysis? What we want from you is just a little bit thinking seriously and challenge the conventional wisdom. That's all we want from you. Okay. 20 minutes is enough or not? Because it's from your head. It's not from the internet. You don't have to look at the internet. Okay, 20 minutes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Menan. Very good. So 20 minutes. We set it up now 8:40, so 9 o'clock.
Stop sharing now.
Yes, please. Thank you, Triều Nam. Okay, Khánh Ngọc disappear, Bảo Ngọc disappear, Quốc Lâm disappear. Only Cát Tường, Gia Hân, Triều Nam, Minh An. Only 4 people want to go overseas for study. And the rest, they don't want that. Okay. Only Minh An, Triều Nam, Gia Hân, Cát Tường. Only 4 competing. Okay. You will get there. I can tell you, you get there. If you try harder, you beat them, you will get there. So now 8:40, we finish at 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock, you submit the essay. You don't need to look at the internet. You don't need to look at the books. You just develop your own logical thinking. I give you the hints. In the Buddha lifetime, many monks did not shave their head. Not all of them, okay? So the question is why the Buddha did not shave his head. Why? There's no right or wrong answer, okay? Only your explanation, whether it's logical, critical, and challenging. That's what we are looking for. Please don't trust the literature. Don't trust the history. Okay. Think of yourself. Okay. Think of yourself. Why Buddha did not shave his head? You look at all the statues or the picture. Buddha did not shave his head. Why all the monks shave his head? Anything logical, illogical, or you can create a funny story. That's okay. We accept it. Okay. Khánh Ngọc, show your hand. What do you want? Khánh Ngọc.
I want to answer like question why just Buddha does not shave his head.
Yes.
Like I think that Buddha believes that just like what it doesn't really matter. Like it doesn't change his like it doesn't
No. You have to compose the essay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and then in 9 o'clock I will answer. I will ask you to answer. Okay, and then we give marks because all the essay will be submitted to the headmaster from the Australian high school. And
Maximum is 1,000.
It doesn't matter. You can write 1,000 or 2,000. The important point is challenging, interesting, and the creative. You may think something different. Okay. You can compare between the Buddha and Jesus or whatever, something funny. It doesn't matter. But it must be your own thinking. That's what we are looking for.
Oh,
Whether
okay.
you have your own creativity. There's no right or wrong answer here. What we are looking for is your ability to develop something for your own thinking, logical or illogical or funny or whatever, something original from yourself. 10 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Time's up. Everybody, time's up. Are you ready?
I write more 100 words.
I just finished 3 sentences.
Only 3 sentences. Jeez.
I have finished a short essay.
So, how long do you need? 5 more minutes?
In that I couldn't finish to 1,000 words in
20
20
minutes. Cát Tường, 20 minutes. Too long. What about 10 minutes? 10 more minutes, okay? Because we got 20 minutes already. Now 10 more minutes. 15 minutes. Okay, Cát Tường, you got 15 minutes. Everybody got 15 minutes. It's a bonus, okay?
Okay.
15 minutes. You have to give me the essay, not three answers. No good. Why the Buddha did not shave his head? You can think in your mind. You don't have to read the book. You can imagine anything, you know. Yeah, it's very short essay, very short. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes left. Three more minutes. Okay, everybody. Have you finished?
Yes. Yes.
Very good.
I'm finding more ideas.
Cát Tường, Dạ Hân, Triều Nam.
I think that I should write two more paragraphs and then the ending.
Time's up now. We cannot delay because I record the time. We submit it to the headmaster for selection. So better we move on. Whatever you have, okay? Don't worry. You can submit the actual essay by 6 o'clock today, okay? And I will send it to her in writing. Okay, who finished first? Who want to present your stories, your story? Yahan, can you answer? No, I love it. Okay, Cát Tường, don't smile. You will be sent to USA.
I just wrote 189 words.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. Why the Buddha didn't say his head? I think the Buddha didn't say his head because he thought that it doesn't matter. The important thing is our mind. If we save our heads and wear monk clothes, but our minds are dark, filled with danger, jealousy, and selfishness, just where it's not become a real monk. It's not easy. The real monks are not the people who save their heads, eat vegetarian, or wear monk clothes. The real monk is the monk that has a kindly, merciful mind. So, in my opinion, I think Buddha taught that we shouldn't care about a monk's appearance to know whether he is real or fake, good or bad. Buddhism is not the mind. It's not about the mind. It's about the mind and our brain, not about our appearance. A normal person who doesn't shave his head or live in the pagoda, but has great, happy, and kindly mind is better than a monk who lives in the pagoda and eats vegetarian, but has a dark and selfish mind. These are my opinion and reason about why the Buddha didn't save his head. Thank you, teacher, for your listening.
Okay, you're thinking that the Buddha thinking. Okay, you can read the Buddha minds. That's very good. Very interesting. What about Yahan? You haven't finished?
I finished, but it is really short.
Okay, just read it for everybody to listen to you.
I think that the Buddha shaved his head, but the people who made the statue of the Buddha made him depends on how he think, because there's no real person, so he cannot make it like 100% the same. So he just made what he know, and he made the Buddha statue having a hair.
Okay, that's your opinion. It's very good. You know, you have a different opinion. That's very nice. Okay, but you need to write in the essay format. Okay, Triều Nam, please.
Yes. My first paragraph is about I'll introduce about what I am going to talk, and just it was 195, so a bit long, so I didn't say it.
Okay, please.
Okay. I will say just my introduce. I am going to talk about the reason why Buddha did not shave his head. I am going to say it in the point of view. So let me review again a little bit about the Buddha, Siddhartha Gautama life. He was born near Lamini, Nepal, 624 years before Horus. By the way, there are a lot of different opinions about the birth and event on his life. Is right or wrong? His father is King Suddhodana and his mother is Queen Maya. He was a Shakya clan When he got 18, he had married with Princess Yasodhara. His life aim was found a way of happiness for all living beings, leading by practice meditation. He achieved nirvana. Lately, he got a lot of disciple, and a lot of them reached very high fruit. He lived until him 80 years old. His life had been retransmitted later. Some of his disciples have written down all the Dhamma that he had, sorry, had taught down in the sutra. In the sutra, after he got down the horse, the beginning of a path and happiness, nirvana. Siddhartha Gautama had shaved his hair by a knife. Okay, I will change it by cut for comment. Okay, cut his hair by a knife. This thing now show that Siddhartha was shave his hair. At that time, all the monks should shave their hair to lead a religious life. So he started practicing meditation with monks. It was 29. It was when he 29 years old to 35 years old. Achieving the nirvana took him 6 years of meditation and practicing. At the time, he still bold. When he got out of the palace, when he finally achieved the nirvana for 49 days, he entered samadhi without doing anything. In this period, some of the sutras say that Buddha was already having his hair. However, others differ. They say that while enter samadhi, Buddha didn't have his hair. The main thing after 6 years of meditation, all the people saw Buddha had his hair. Buddha hair was extremely special. Many small part of the hair was formed into snail curly shape. These shapes form from the hair yarns that didn't been cut down. Later on, others the others the other hair yarns grow and start to form like shape like that. The number of the shape of the hair is 108. This is why Buddha had special hair like that. By the way, there are some of the mountains shaving their hair. With my opinion, they get a hair they just want. Come empty in the mind away of anything on their body, even their hair. They would like to stop all feeling of the world. Their hair is also if their hairs in their head, even it long or short, it doesn't matter with them. After they die, it will disappear. The hairstyle of Buddha is but special. There's a lot of being hidden by Buddha hairstyle. In some of religions or part of the world, that pines have shown that they are an icon of knowledge, insight, wisdom, and so on. If you look at the Buddha statue or Buddha pictures, you could find out same of the Buddha snail shell hair and pine. Same of Buddha snail shell hair and pine. This also prove that one, the enlightened one which like like Buddha are very wise though. There is a lot of mysterious being hidden in Buddha hairstyle or whatever. It could be the mistake of the artist or sculptor when they're doing their throne or sculpture the Buddha. I think that I finished.
Okay, thank you. What about Min An, please?
Yeah, it's just a short essay, but
That's
I
okay.
think, yeah.
Yeah.
The majority of us usually consider that the monks are the ones who want to reach enlightenment, need to save their heads. The reason for this conception for me is that hair is one of the things that is able to let the monks care about it too much. Therefore, most of them come up with an idea that they should shave their head in order to pay attention to their journey to awareness. For instance, girls and women are those who usually have long hair, thus they need to take care of their hair all the time to not let them be always flaky and have a bad smell. Similarly, the monks decide to shave their heads to not cling to those issues. On the contrary, in reality, there are still plenty of individuals who do not shave their heads, but they are still the ones who are enlightened, such as Buddha. There is one fact that he did not shave his head like the other monks. From my perspective, I think that shaving the head is not the paramount point at all, because these activities do not really play a crucial role in the life of those who have a high concentration on their final role, which is enlightenment. Furthermore, Buddha is the one who created Buddhism. Thus, his journey to reaching enlightenment is the first one. Due to this reason, perhaps at first, the monks do not need to shave their heads, yet after a long time of modernizing, many people have changed their thoughts that they should shave their heads so as to have such a jolly religious life. In addition, there is one inconsistency with why the Buddha did not shave his head. First of all, I personally assume that if he did shave his head, that activity would say that he had actually left his royal life behind. However, as I have already mentioned, this is not the main key because it only contributes to the notion that he surely became a monk, not remained a prince. Anyhow, the important thing of all is how we reach enlightenment, not how we look. In conclusion, I believe that whether shaving heads or not is not a vital key to being an enlightened person. From my point of view, the most important thing of all is the way how we react to sufferings, afflictions of life, how we live peacefully with renunciation, and how we obey to Buddha's commandments. That's all.
Okay, you finished?
Yeah.
Okay, I record everything already, so I anticipate everybody send me the writing version on your thinking about the why Buddha did not shave his head according to the picture or the Buddha status everywhere. They all share the same image that Buddha did not shave his head. Okay. And I anticipate to get all the essay, maybe 1,000 words, 2,000 words, it doesn't matter. But what we are looking for is from you is your creative own thinking. And you must develop something logical. If you can back up by some evidence, that's good. If you cannot, that's okay too. There's no right or wrong answer. Just the way you express yourself, your opinion, with the some convincible evidence, in life, it's just the persuasiveness. There's nothing right or wrong. But the headmaster is looking for somebody to fill in the vacancy in the next year, in February 2023. There, I think, few vacant spot already made available for overseas student. But she's looking someone with the creative mind, with the logical thinking, with the understanding. So can you all submit to me by 6 o'clock so that I can send to her today? Whatever you think is okay, not right or wrong. Okay. Now I will turn off the recorder because I have something beyond the recording message to her.